Look at this sparkly girl. What girl in the whole world does not love something that sparkles? I am a glitter fest person, I'm afraid. And we love our sparkly brush case here at Donna May London, which is why we designed it in the first place. So I'm just going to show you. So you get this wallet, which is gorgeous, and you get a nude lip rather than the red lip. The red lip comes on the black case. And this is your brushes. So there's 8 brushes there because they're all double-ended. You get this lovely little wallet part, which is brilliant just to put little bits and bobs in. And then you get your 8 brushes, okay? So they are all labelled, which is what our customers love. Each one tells you exactly what they're for. That's your blusher and your bronzer, your foundation and your concealer. And it tells you on each end what they're for. Your eyebrows. And this is your multi-use brush. So that can be a lip liner, it can be an eyeliner, it could be an underliner, all sorts, okay? And then you've got your eyeshadow brush, which is this one here. So you've got your eyelid blender and your socket blender. They're the only brushes you need in a kit. This one here pops open like that. Just pop that one back in because it's a big one. And then that just covers it up just to keep your case clean. They're the only brushes you need to do a face. You don't need any more than that. You don't need hundreds of brushes. These are all the brushes you need to make up your face perfectly. We hope you love it as much as we do. See you later.